This is the old Tesla Model 3. It still looks very good, but Tesla has just released a refresh of this car, and in today's video we're gonna speedrun our way through 10 things that's new with this design. So if you're thinking about buying a Model 3, check out this video first to see if this car is for you. Number 1, the new front. This is perhaps the biggest change you might have noticed right away. So the front end now has sharper lines and a brand new headlight design that resembles the headlights of the long-awaited Tesla Roadster. Number 2, the logo. So if we jump to the other side of the car, we now have the Tesla logo spelled out instead of having just the traditional Tesla T. I think it looks more futuristic this way and a lot better. Let me know what you think. Number 3, the taillights. So these lights have also been redesigned, giving the car a more aggressive look. And here's an image comparing the new ones to the old ones. Number 4, longer range. So this Model 3 refresh is estimated to have an 8% increase in its range compared to the previous one. This has been made possible due to improvements in aerodynamics, with the car being lower and having a smaller front end. Number 5, new interior design. Okay, now let's hop into the car. This car supposedly feels like being in a spaceship. This might be because of this cool new ambient light strip that covers the entire cabin. The colors can be altered and the light can of course be turned off altogether if you're not a neon type of person. Number 6, it's more quiet. Because of redesigns made to the front, improved soundproofing materials, and Tesla using acoustic glass, this car is now more quiet. Number 7, bigger screen. In this refresh, the main display is the same size as before, but now with thinner bezels, which leads us to number 8, the rear display. So this car now has a rear display for the people riding in the back, giving them access to climate control and the car's infotainment system. Number 9, no more steering mounted controls. Yep, Tesla has removed these altogether, instead replacing them with buttons that you can now press to activate the wipers and the indicators. And for the final update, number 10, more speakers. If you get the long-range version of this car, you get 17 speakers. So if you're a music person, this car might be your new best friend. So there we have 10 of the most important changes in this Tesla Model 3 facelift. Which of these changes are you the most happy with, and is there anything you wish Tesla would do different? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you like this video, then please press subscribe and the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.